Hey guys, welcome to another video in this series, and today we're going to take a look at the work of photographer Gian Paolo Barbieri. Let's get started. Barbieri's work blurs the lines between art and fashion. When we see his work, you can see that each picture stands by itself. Proportion, minute detail, and the desire to seal the moment are the characteristics of his work. He was a self-taught photographer, and his first work was an apprenticeship to Harper's Bazaar photographer Tom Coughlin. That goes to teach us that although formal education is great, in the arts we forge our own paths. There are many ways to get to the same goal. So let's take a look at Barbieri's work. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned because we see the work of a new photographer every Friday. So see you Friday.